Hi everyone, myself Mahal Manish and this is another We are Team Guide Builders studying in 8th grade Excel Public School, Mysore.
Our theme is technological innovation for education with a focus on smart automation and interactive learning. In today's schools, innovation and creativity labs help students learn science, technology, engineering, and mathematics through hands-on activities. These labs promote creativity and problem solving.
But during the school exhibitions and guest visits, we observe a common challenge. Not every student is available or confident enough to explain their project. Because of this, visitors sometimes leave without understanding the ideas or hard work behind the display.
To solve this problem, we designed the ZooZoo robot presenter, a smart robot that can automatically explain IC lab projects using pre-recorded videos. Every project in the IC lab is given an RFID tag with a unique ID. When this tag is scanned by the robot plays the correct video explanation on its built-in screen along with the audio through the speaker. This makes exhibitions interactive, simple, and fully automated even if students or teachers are busy somewhere else.
From our survey, we found that many projects are not explained properly during exhibitions because students or mentors are always not available. Teachers also shared that it is difficult to manage explanation for multiple exhibits at the same time.
Our secondary research showed that RFID systems and educational robots are already improving interactions in museums and science centers. These findings clearly showed the need for an automated robot presenter in IC labs or exhibitions. So, how our system works? The ZooZoo robot presenter works in 5 simple steps. Every project is given an RFID tag with its unique ID. The robot has an RFID reader which acts like the robot's eyes. When the tag is scanned, the Raspberry Pi identifies the project. The robot immediately plays the correct video explanation on the screen with audio. Using a wireless joystick, we can move the robot anywhere inside the IC lab or any exhibition, allowing it to visit different
Art is a
exhibits.
smart and resilient
This makes the
communities
robot
with
a
a
friendly
focus on
moving presenter for visitors. From the past 5 years, our school has submitted more than 50 projects for the School Innovation Marathon. Many visitors come to see the project throughout the year. However, students are not always available to explain the projects. So, in that time, our ZooZoo robot presenter helps in explaining the project.